Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you love camping as much as I do, but you also hate having to get up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom at the campground site or duck behind a tree to try to go without anybody seeing you, then you're going to love this 2-room privacy tent from Caddis. First off, this goes up so quickly. All the rods are attached to the tent, and it took me less than 60 seconds to put it up. I was a little concerned about the rain fly because I'm short, I'm only about 5'4", and this tent is quite a bit taller than I am. But I found that it was actually really easy to get it up and over the tent and then attach the ropes. A couple features that I appreciate are that it has, of course, 2 rooms. So if you're taking a shower in one room, you can put up the divider so then the toilet area doesn't get all wet. And there's mesh around the floor in the shower area, so you don't have to be continually stepping on your dirty water. It will simply go through the mesh and then soak into the ground. I was really impressed with how strong the shower holder is. I filled up our camping shower with about 3 gallons of water and hung it, and I couldn't believe how strong it is. It attaches to the top part of the tent, and that's why it's so strong. I also love the venting at the top of the tent. There's plenty of airflow and a few different windows. And also, like the window for the shower area, you can see it's not exposing me at all if I want to keep that open while I'm showering. And also with the toilet area, I can keep the window open, be sitting on our portable toilet, and not have to worry about being exposed. This also comes down super easily and fits back into the bag, which I absolutely love. This is a must-have for your next camping adventure. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.